Okay, now we're going to find the measure of the indicated angle to the nearest degree. Again, what do you know? What are you finding? So this, the question mark, is going to be the theta. So when we're looking at the theta, what do we know? We know the opposite side is equal to 7. We know the adjacent side, which is equal to 10. And then the hypotenuse, although because we know the opposite and the adjacent, we can actually figure things out using tangent. Remember, tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. And now we can set the problem up. So the tangent of theta is equal to 7 over 10. And this is when we're going to use that inverse. Let me get rid of that stuff. This is when you're going to take the arctan of both sides. And when you do that, the tan goes away and the theta is what's left. But if you take the arctan of one side, you take the arctan of another. Remember, arctan means the same thing as this notation. So on your calculator, when you're doing this step, you're probably, if you got the T130, you're hitting the second button, you're hitting the tangent, and then 7 fraction button 10. So let's type that in. We can even call it up on the I'll just call up this calculator right here. This one, we have to do things a little bit differently. We have to type in, let's see if they have a fraction button on this one. So I think this time I have to hit 7 divided by 10 and hit the equals. And once I have that, I can hit, I'd already hit the up arrow key or the second. See how it just says sine, cosine, tangent? So I hit that again, and we are looking for the inverse or arctangent. And then notice it's close to 35 degrees. So what we can do, remember, oh, this is what I left off. Remember, when you're writing this, arctangent of theta equals arctan, change that 7/10 to 0.7. What we have left then is it was about 35 degrees. That's it. What do you know? What are you finding? We knew the opposite, we knew the adjacent, and we were trying to find that angle right there. Well, opposite over adjacent, we can use tangent to find that. That's it.